Today, I'd like to talk to you about basement waterproofing, and more importantly, why basements leak. When the home is built, the digger builds a hole, and inside of it, the builder pours a concrete foundation, typically a concrete footing, with concrete walls and then a concrete floor. Once the foundation is complete, a damp-proof or waterproof coating is applied to the walls on the exterior of the foundation. Lastly, a typical 4-inch round perforated drain tile or French drain is laid at the bottom of the foundation. Once the drainage is in place, all the excess dirt is then backfilled around the home. That's called fill dirt. It's called fill dirt because it's looser and more porous than the original undisturbed soil beyond the dig hole. This creates what we call the clay bowl effect. Your home is built inside a clay bowl, and that bowl fills with water during heavy rains. It's the job of the wall coating and the drain to keep that water outside of your house. Unfortunately, it doesn't do it for long. Over many years, the damp-proof or the waterproof coating tend to crack or wear off of the wall. Those foundation drains that have been sitting down in the soil for many years collect more than just water. They collect silt and sediment, eventually clog, rendering themselves useless with time. When the surroundings of your home fills up with water, it creates what is called hydrostatic pressure, or water pressure. Water has weight, and that weight translates into pressure. That forces itself into the basement through cracks and weak points. Clogged or inadequate gutters and downspouts can add to the problem with additional water building up around the foundation. All of this adds to the foundation and causes water problems, causing mold, loss of space, damage to items in the basement, affecting your family's health and the value of your home. So if you think you have any of these issues, give us a call. We'd be happy to come out for a completely free inspection and give you back your peace of mind.